nice. I'll be nice. Oh. Oh. Through the gate. Guys. Hey, Agnes. So if you didn't know, Penny is like a notoriously bad mum. Oh, I let those chickens out. They're the gentle souls. Have this one. And Pen is over here. So I'm scared. Hey, Pen. Baby. I'll be nice. I'll be nice. Oh. Oh. Hello. I love it. Hey, it's nice. Go explore.
I love this cookie.
Do you? The baby. They're outside. Pen, do you want to come in? Oh, it's your baby. So you're going to go say hello? No? You want to just play the pokes and smoke Winnie Reds? Is that it? Okay, hear me out. I've just put Miss Moira and Spot in. Now, Miss Moira does have Spot, who's only a little baby, so maybe she'll take the babies. Oh, maybe. Come on. Please, please, please. Frowning a bit today. I guess this is a stay tuned for part 2 to see if we can get Penny or Moira to look after the turkey babies.